Welcome. This is a Spring backend app where we'll have to expose the REST API, and then we're gonna test and document it with Sega. As you can see, our app is already running on port 8080. So we need to come here on our Swagger and test our API. The first thing that we need to do is to register a user. So we can just use any random user. We don't have to use people actual data. So we can just say this one is Rowan Rowan Vox. Rowan Vox is our username, and then our password we can just say Vox, and then we're gonna execute it. When we execute it, we should check so it's accepted. So we have username Vox, and then the ID here, if you can see, it changed from 0 to 29. It means this is the 29th user that we tested out. So, and then we have our hashed password for security reason. That's why we are using JWT. And now we're gonna try to log in with the same register that we did. So we need to change our ID to 29, and we said our name is Rowan Vox. If you remember, our name is Rowan Vox, so we need to do the spelling Rowan Vox, and our password is Vox. After this, we should be able to successfully log in because everything will be matching. Let's execute. It's accepted, and as you can see, we have the token generated here. It's token generated because our username and the register are actually matching. We can also check it here. Register user Rowan Vox, login attempt Rowan Vox. So here we have hashed password for security reasons so that other people can't see, and password matches, they are matching. That's why we have the true statement here and the token generated. So the last thing that we need to do, we need to go and document this. So we need to document this. So we're gonna document our register. So let's see, when we document our register, it's gonna open on VS Code because it's a file. So as you can see, we have ID 29 Rowan Fox and then the hash password. So now let's go and document our login. So if we download here, so we'll be able to document our token generated string, you can see there, and we can just throw in a bit of more information where we have Hibernate. You can see the user and the password, and also we also use the Docker. So the Docker will be connected here. This file allows us to connect with the Docker. You can see it will connect with our project, and also this is the entry point in our Docker where we're going to be able to create pictures, and this is our port, and this is our project, and everything is working. So we're able to test our API and then document them with Swagger and also apply Docker. So this is a Spring framework on the back end. Thank you very much.